Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
Welcome back, loyalties and my new subscribers. Welcome back to your girl Portia P, Beauty for Ashes by Portia P. Welcome back, baby. Before we even get started or even get into this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and even comment. Like, come on, y'all can talk to me. I want to know what's on y'all minds, and videos and content that you may want me to post. So definitely comment and share. Okay, so I'm sure a lot of y'all have already read the title before you even clicked on it. Okay, today we are going to be doing magnetic lashes. Okay, I have been wearing lashes since I was 16, and I am, should I tell my age? A woman never tells her age, but you know what, I am very proud of my age. I am 36 years old, and I will be 37 years old next month on the 6th, and I will be vlogging the whole thing, so y'all stay tuned for that. I'm so excited for that. But anyway, I have been wearing lashes since I was 16 years old, and I am 36 now, so you do the math. And I used to pay like $15 every 2 weeks to get my lashes put on. Like, I would be like, mother, can I go get my lashes done this week? Or by this time I was working, so I'm making, I would drive up there around, I'm like, let's get our can I get my lashes done? Drop me off at the beauty supply store so the lady can do my eyelashes. And I'm just thinking to myself, like, I'm gonna teach myself how to do my own lashes, right? Because I'm not about to keep giving you $15 every 2 weeks, baby. No, we're not about to do that. So what I did was I taught myself, and I knew how to do the strips, and I taught myself how to do the individual lashes. So I've been knowing how to do this for years before it was like a hot commodity where everybody is wearing their lashes up to here. I've been wearing lashes for a long time. But I have never done magnetic lashes. That is crazy. Never done it before. And so, why not? This is a beauty channel. Like, y'all my family, y'all my peoples. So I was like, you know what? Let me do this for the first time ever with my loyalties, okay? And my newbies. And I was like, I'm gonna take y'all on a journey with me. It's however it's gonna be, we're gonna enjoy it because we family, and we just gonna do that, okay? So these are magnetic, what is it? Eyelash, I can't read it backwards. Eyelashes and eyeliner kit. Natural look, long lasting, easy to use, reusable, and light. Okay. This was a gift, so I don't know exactly where it comes from. Like, who asked somebody where you get that from when it's a gift, So it's a gift. Okay, so I had to stop the camera. I don't have on any lashes right now. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, and I got a little extra with my eyeshadow because I was like, I'm gonna be wearing lashes. I want to wear my, I want my lashes to be popping. So that's my natural eye, and this is what it comes in. So it has a whole pack here, and for those side down. So it has this whole pack here, and it goes from these smaller ones, and it starts getting like huge, like more fuller down the road that you go. And these things are reusable. It said, I don't know anything about these, that they're reusable, and it comes with, I'm assuming that this is eyelash and eyeliner. I don't know which one is which. When we open it, we'll find out. And then it comes with tweezers. Okay, it comes with tweezers right here. Let's go ahead and open it, shall we? They feel really, really nice. I've never used tweezers with my eyelashes, by the way. Never have. Okay, so we got our tweezers. I've always did it with just a strip, put it on my eye and go. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so you got this right here, which I think this is the It doesn't say what this one is. Let's see. Okay, so this is what this is looking like. Okay, that's what she's looking like. You can see it. My camera is like not wanting to focus tonight. Okay, and then you have, I don't know what it is too. You get 2 of them. Let's see how this other one looks. It doesn't have the name or anything on it. It's just same thing. It's the same thing. See? Okay, so it just comes with 2 of these. You got 2 of these, and then you have your tweezers. Okay. I'm not gonna be too dramatic, but I'm gonna pick. Let's read what it says to do first. So the instruction says how to apply, and it says step 1, apply the magnetic eyeliner on your eyelids. Step 2, wait for 2 minutes for completely dry. Step 3, stick the eyelashes, and then step 4, you're done. And it says how to remove. It says step 1, gently peel off the eyelash.
Gently pull the eyelash off with the tweezers and store them temporarily. Close your eye, put a cotton pad, waking up eyes, make a remover on your eyes right now to remove
allergy test. I'm not doing that. Okay, I'm not doing that. Okay, so I'm gonna pick. They are so pretty. See the different styles of how thin it goes to how thick it is, and it's how you can reuse them. Okay, so I'm thinking I'm gonna go with baby girl right here. I'm excited. Okay, taking one off, but before we take that off, what we need to do is put our eyeliner on. So let's apply, shall we? I'm doing it. Well, might as well try. Let me do one on the other lash really quickly. Just give me a second. All right, y'all. I did one. I was nervous because I don't want this crap in my eye. Not crap, but I just don't want it in my eye. And see, my eyelid doesn't go that far over, so I'm just like, okay. So we're gonna try this one. Put that down. That's hard to do. Come in. What?
Okay. Mommy, I think we used to do another video.
Yep. Okay, so we already tried one. It said wait 2 minutes. I think that was pretty much long enough. You always do the longest to the shortest, so I'm gonna do this one. We don't do the other one first because we did that one first. So we're taking this one off. Making sure it ain't too. Let's see what all the hype is about. I don't normally do it with tweezers. Wait a minute, y'all. Get off the camera real quick. Hold on. Okay, magnetic, come through. I had to do it off the camera, y'all. I cannot do it from this angle. So I'm gonna try to do this one. Try 2 on camera. I never use tweezers, but this is how it looks. It has little strips on it. Need to hurry up. It has like little. Please focus. I'll get you another one. Let's get this one on. So we're gonna. Okay, y'all, you have to hold on. Okay, y'all, I apologize. I could not do it on the camera. I couldn't, like, I have my mirror right here, and it's not, like, the camera's further out than my mirror, so me trying to do it up close, and right here, I couldn't see what I was doing. So this is it, magnetic, like come through. I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion on what I'm feeling about it. I like it. It's cool. I like it. I felt kind of sort of rushed a little bit because I was like, hurry up because it's about to dry. You know, hurry up, it's about to dry. Normally when I do my strips, I just put my glue on there and put it on and boom, that's it. But you have to put that on first. If I was reading it correctly, apply the magnetic liner on your eyelid first, and then you have to come back and do the lashes. But they are really nice, as you can see. But other than that, I like them. I don't know how much these are, but what I can do for y'all is look it up and give y'all the information on where you can purchase these if you want to. On where you want to purchase them at. But yeah, they're beautiful. They feel really comfortable too. They're very light. They are very lightweight, very much so. I want to show y'all. It's like a strip that's already on it. I guess that's supposed to go back on there. But you can see the little magnets in there. You can see the little magnets inside of there. See? So I'm sure a lot of y'all probably are like, we know how magnetic lashes look, girl. I don't, okay? This is my first time ever getting them. Well, you can play, and it has a place on here, on the little pad here. You see that little black strip? You take it off and you put it right back on there. Girl, because normally with the lashes that I go and get, I get them like, they just be laying around everywhere, honey. And they don't fit back onto the thing like that. It be bent up, have old makeup on it and all kind of eyeshadows and stuff. But I really hope y'all enjoy this because I never done magnetic lashes and I wanted y'all to be the first people that did it with me. And I did it, so. And I hope y'all enjoyed it and I hope y'all don't laugh at me too much because you're probably like, she didn't do it right. But they're so beautiful.